Somebody home? Is somebody home? Hello? Do you hear that? Sounds like somebody's crying. What is that? Hello? Hello? Is somebody there? You okay? Somebody there? She's not here. Hold on. Shh. Shh. We gotta go in the closet. Let's go. Shh. Be very, very quiet. She's coming.
Jenny?
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 Elliot?
Ouch.
Don't hurt me! Don't hurt me! Don't hurt me! Don't hurt me! No! No!
Ouch.